Hi guys, welcome to New Toy Surprise. I hope that you already watched the first Cinderella video where we helped the fairy godmother make Cinderella's beautiful ball gown. Today we have an egg to open so that we can finish our story. Maybe the egg is Prince Charming. Let's find out. Wow! It is Prince Charming. He looks so great. Let's see how he got ready for the ball. Prince Charming, you look so good. You're ready to go meet Cinderella. My dear, don't forget, you need to leave the ball by midnight. Thank you so much, Fairy Godmother. Thank you for my beautiful gown and for all that you've done for me. Hello, Cinderella. Hello, Prince Charming. Now you look like Prince Charming. You look so handsome. And you look so beautiful, my dear. Would you like to dance? I would love to. It's such a beautiful night. But my fairy godmother said that I had to leave by midnight. Oh no, it's midnight. I have to go. Cinderella is gone. All that's left is a pumpkin and a glass slipper. I will find you, my dear. That was such a fun time with Cinderella and Prince Charming. Remember to subscribe to New Toy Surprise so that we can open up another great toy together.